Discover the simple yet powerful 50-30-20 budgeting rule that can help you take control of your finances. The 50-30-20 rule is a budgeting method that divides your after-tax income into 3 categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. The 50% category covers your essential expenses like housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation costs. Prioritizing and managing these needs efficiently is crucial. The 30% category allows you to indulge in discretionary spending, such as dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. Mindful spending in this category is key. The 20% category is dedicated to building long-term financial stability through savings, debt repayment, and retirement contributions. Automating these payments ensures consistent progress. To implement the 50-30-20 rule effectively, it's essential to calculate your after-tax income accurately. We'll provide a step-by-step guide to help you get started. To illustrate the rule's implementation, we'll share practical examples and visuals from real-life scenarios, making it easier for you to understand and apply. Hear from real people who have followed the 50-30-20 rule and achieved remarkable financial success. Their stories will motivate and inspire you. While the 50-30-20 rule is a powerful tool, it's important to understand that it can be adjusted to accommodate different income levels and financial situations. Implementing any budgeting method can come with challenges, but we'll address common obstacles and provide strategies to overcome them, ensuring your success with the 50-30-20 rule. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of the 50-30-20 budgeting rule and the confidence to start implementing it in your own life. Take the first step towards a balanced and financially secure future by visiting our website and learning more about the 50-30-20 budgeting rule.